People suffering from cold, sinus infection, or allergies may have a stuffy nose that blocks the breathing and results in snoring. Excessive weight or obesity can cause bulky throat tissue in the neck area, eventually narrowing airways and worsening snoring episodes. Weak muscle tone in the tongue and mouth can cause snoring. Pregnancy, particularly in the last month, with changes in the hormones, can cause tissue swelling in the nose and nasal congestion while sleeping. Alcohol drinks and those taking certain medication can suffer from muscle relaxation that worsens snoring. If you are a back sleeper, you may find yourself snoring.